Did you buy a car at an auction like Copart or IAAI to fix up and sell? At MyAirBags, we make fixing cars easy and save you money. Rollover bars are super important. They pop up during a rollover crash to protect people inside the car and keep them safe. Our repair services help you keep more of your profits. We help to save so much time and money, eliminating the need to constantly search for new parts. At MyAirBags, we specialize in affordable repairs and replacements. Our services can save you up to 80% compared to purchasing new replacement parts. Rollover bars are found in cars like Volkswagen, Audi, Mercedes-Benz, and BMW. But we fix more than just rollover bars. We also repair battery cables, crash-activated headrests, steering columns, and more. We work fast too. We can fix and return your part in just 24 hours. Choosing MyAirBags is a smart choice because we offer reliable, cost-effective repairs that help you get your auction vehicles ready for resale quickly and safely. Visit MyAirbags.com today and see how we can help you save on essential repairs. MyAirBags, your trusted partner in vehicle safety.